Good morning, dear students. Let's start with the next topic, and the next topic is the life of the Northern Plains. Dear students, do you know the Northern Plains are towards the south of the high mountains that we had done? And it includes what states? Yes, it includes Punjab, it includes Haryana, Delhi, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal. Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, and even NCT of Delhi. National Capital Territory of Delhi. Now, bache, first of all, we are going to start with Punjab. Dear students, Punjab is made up of two Persian words, Panj and Aap. Panj का मतलब क्या होता है 5 and Aap का मतलब क्या होता है water. Aap means water and Panj means 5. This means it is a land of 5 rivers. Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj, Beas and Ravi. They flow through Punjab. Dear students, Chandigarh is its capital and one of the beautiful cities of Punjab. Right? The main occupation of the people क्या है पंजाब की? Farming. And the major crops कौन से grow करते हैं? Wheat, sugarcane, gram, oilseeds and rice. Punjab has many industries which make cloth, hosiery goods, sports goods, electrical goods. Students, do you know that? Mainly the people speak Punjabi here, and Bhangra and Gidda is the main folk dance. Baisakhi is the harvest festival, and people of Punjab also celebrate Guru Nanak Dev Jayanti and Diwali. But the Golden Temple of Amritsar is famous holy place of the Sikhs. Jallianwala Bagh, Lakshmi Narayan Temple and Sheesh Mahal are also some of the important places in Punjab. Now, dear students, let's start with another state in the Northern Plains, and that is Haryana. But Haryana means the land of greenery. Another meaning is the land to which Hari or Lord Vishnu arrived. See, Hari plus Ana. Matlab Hari ka Ana, Lord Vishnu ka Ana. And the capital of Haryana is also Chandigarh. See, Punjab and Haryana share the same capital. Do remember that. The land here is generally flat with loamy soil. See, loamy soil is a very, very fertile soil which is suitable for agriculture. Main occupations of people is agriculture only. The main occupation of the people is agriculture. Wheat, paddy, sugarcane are grown here because very fertile soil we have. Men in Haryana wear dhoti and kameez, while women wear ghagra, kameez and odhni. People speak Hindi and Haryanvi dialect here, and the main festivals are Holi and Tej. Now, dear students, we come to the next part of the Northern Plains, and we are going to discuss about Delhi. Delhi is a historic city and capital of India. But do remember, it is not a state, it is a union territory. The Indian government functions from this city. हमारी कंट्री की जो गवर्नमेंट है, देखो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी, वेयर डज ही स्टे, कहाँ से वो फंक्शन करता है, पार्लियामेंट कहाँ पे है, प्रेसिडेंट कहाँ रहता है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहाँ पे है, ये सब दिल्ली के अंदर हैं. और बहुत हमारी जितनी भी मतलब स्टेट्स हैं ना, बहुत सारे लोग आकर दिल्ली में रहते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ अ नेशनल कैपिटल, राइट? एंड डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस आर ऑल्सो स्पोकन हियर. You should remember one thing, various festivals are celebrated with pomp and show. National festivals such as Republic Day and the Independence Day are celebrated with full grandeur. आप लोग देखते हो ना परेड को? We always tell you to watch it in the school. Whenever it is, like we tell you to watch it. There are very historical monuments and other tourist places in Delhi, such as Red Fort is there, Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar, Jama Masjid, India Gate, Rajghat, Lotus Temple. Now, dear students, we start with the next state, and that is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh lies in the Ganga basin. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. The waters of Ganga and Yamuna and their tributaries are used for irrigation. ये हम लोगों ने I think last chapter में भी पढ़ा था. The main crops are wheat, sugarcane, rice, maize, pulses and oilseeds. Uttar Pradesh has also a number of leather factories, cloth, and sugar mills. Hindi and Urdu are the chief languages of Uttar Pradesh. Holi, Eid, Christmas, Diwali, and Dussehra are the main festivals celebrated here. Now, dear students, the fifth state under the Northern Plains. Uttarakhand is bordered by China in the north and Nepal in the east. If you are able to see in this picture, this state was carved out of Uttar Pradesh on November 9, 2000. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is very rich in forest and water resources. The important pilgrimage sites in this state are Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Rishikesh and Haridwar. बच्चे ये सारे के सारे ना रिलीजियस प्लेसेस हैं. दैट्स वाई यहाँ पर हम लोग रिलीजियस प्लेसेस के ऊपर वी पर्टिकुलरली गो एंड विजिट देम. हरिद्वार आपको पता है ना, गंगा फ्लोज इन हरिद्वार. सो उत्तराखंड इज पर्टिकुलरली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम रिलीजियस व्यू पॉइंट. Now, dear students, we start with Bihar. Bihar is known as the land of Lord Buddha. It is fertile region. मतलब यहाँ पर जितनी भी इनकी soil है ना वो बहुत ही fertile है. In the Ganga basin it lies. Its capital is Patna. हम लोग यहाँ पर हिंदी और उर्दू languages को speak करते हैं. Even Maithili and Bhojpuri dialects are also spoken here. बच्चे आपको पता है what are the main crops of Bihar? Yes, they are paddy, wheat, sugarcane and pulses. पता है क्यों? Because बहुत fertile land है. That's why. Jute, tobacco, fruits and vegetables are also grown here. Besides other festivals, Holi, Diwali, Eid are celebrated. Do you know that Chhat Puja is the main festival of Bihar? बच्चे छठ पूजा में ना इनको वाटर में स्टैंड होना पड़ता है एंड दे हैव टू गिव द ऑल होमेज या दे हैव टू गिव वाटर टू द सन थ्रू दैट. तो ऑल द टाइम अराउंड फॉर 3 days दे आर स्टैंडिंग इन वाटर. Such a difficult festival but celebrated with great pomp and show. And you know that Bodh Gaya is a holy place of the Buddhist. It was here that Prince Siddhartha attained enlightenment and became Lord Buddha. But what does this mean? This means that Prince Siddharth, he was a prince, you know, Buddha ji was a prince. जब उन्होंने अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ दिया था तब उन्होंने बिहार में ही बैठकर खूब पूजा करी थी and he attained enlightenment. Dear student, not only this, Mahavira, the founder of Jainism and even the 10th Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Gobind Singh Ji was born here. See, such a holy place, isn't it? Dear students, let's start with our 7th state and that is Jharkhand. आपको पता है झारखंड बिहार में से बना था and it was formed on November 15 in the year 2000. झारखंड is a richest state in the mineral resources. बहुत rich है, इसके अंदर हमारे को बहुत सारे minerals मिलते हैं. Former captain of Indian team MS Dhoni lives at Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. And one very famous steel plant, Bokaro Steel Plant, even the TISCO at Jamshedpur and Heavy Engineering Corporation at Ranchi make the state industrially rich. So a very rich state. Main language spoken here is Hindi and Jharkhand has rich forest reserve and many tribes called Adivasis live here. See, in all, Jharkhand बहुत एक rich state है और झारखंड बिहार से बनी है. Now, dear students, we start with the 8th state and that is West Bengal. Do you know what is the capital of West Bengal? Starting में मैंने आपको capitals learn करने के लिए दिए थे ना? Yes, it is Calcutta or Kolkata. The main crops of this state are paddy, jute, rice. Jute is used for making gunny bags, carpets. Dear students, do you know कि जितने भी वेस्ट बंगाल के लोग होते हैं ना उनका बहुत इंटरेस्ट होता है आर्ट में, म्यूज़िक में, ड्रामा में, लिटरेचर में. और बंगाली इज़ अ मेन लैंग्वेज स्पोकन हियर. जो हमारी कंट्री का नेशनल सॉन्ग है ना, बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, ही ऑल्सो वॉज फ्रॉम बंगाल. द पीपल हैव वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ स्वीट्स. यहाँ पर बहुत स्वीट खाते हैं. Rasgulla and sandesh are popular here. You know, these people love to eat rice and fish also. पता है ना आप लोगों को बंगाल कहाँ कहाँ पर है? बिल्कुल बंगाल, बे ऑफ बंगाल, राइट? सो इट इज़ वेरी मच नियर टू दैट. तो यहाँ पर जनरली फिशरमैन होते हैं. फिश बिकॉज सी के अंदर ये चले जाते हैं, राइट? और वहाँ से ये फिश पकड़ते हैं. दुर्गा पूजा इज़ their मेन फेस्टिवल and it is celebrated with great pomp and show. Do you know, students, the famous Havra Bridge or the Rabindra Setu is built on Hooghly River in Kolkata. Another which, the Vidyasagar Setu, is newly built on the Hooghly River. The Science City, Belur Math, the Anekeshwar Temple are the places of tourist importance of Kolkata.